In this video, we are going to see how we can remove the access of a channel manager or an admin or an editor from your YouTube account. So maybe you have someone hired to do a specific job or manage your YouTube channel, and after that the person leaves. You need to remove their access as an editor or the manager. Here's how you can easily do it. First of all, just head over to the YouTube Studio, and then on the left hand side you see this settings tab in the YouTube Studio. Click on that. Now make sure that you are signed in as an owner and not as a manager or editor. After that, you head over to the permissions, and then you just click on the drop down to whatever is the role, whether it's editor, manager, or whatever. Scroll all the way down to the bottom where you see this remove access. Click on that, and as you can see, it is removed right away. Click on save and just make sure it is properly saved. Let me just open it again. Permissions, and you can see that specific email is removed as a role on your YouTube channel. So that is pretty much all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.